This here is my new camping buddy. It is the Arctic Air Pure Chill. Now how it works is inside there, right there, is a little cartridge that you put in the freezer. And you freeze it for a little while, then it comes out, you put it back in, turn it on, and that will blow out cold air. And now the best part about it is that it will run off a power bank, just like this, because it's USB-C. And when I say blow out cold air, let me show you. This here is a thermal camera. Blue represents cold, and you can see, like there's my hand, how hot it is. And you can see all the blue around there. That is because this is blowing out cold air. Even if I put my hand there, heat it up, and it will disfacetate that really quickly. So once again, that is the Arctic Air. I tell you, this should be on everybody's wish list if they're into camping.
What I really like about it is that it's ultra portable. So even if I just want to sit here and rot on the couch, I can just put this right beside me, plug it into a power bank, and now just adjust the fans to up. And I've got a nice cool breeze right beside me.
On a hot summer night when you're camping, this is a must-have.